Hello, everyone. Do you want to know how e-liquids are filled? This is the e-liquid filling capping line from Chengxiang. This machine suitable for 10 ml to 200 ml plastic bottles. This is bottle unscrambler machine. It can automatic bottle management and the machine can be connected with the filling machine. The e-liquid filling machine nozzles adopts a drip-proof needle design and has servo-driven control and photoelectric detection to ensure that no bottle or no filling. This is a mechanical arm that can automatically pick and place caps and tips. This is automatic capping machine. According to the production requirements, can choose to use vibration cover or centrifugal disc cover. This is sprayer pump bottle capping machine. According to different packing materials, you can choose to use different rotary cover claws. In summary, this e-liquid filling capping line is an efficient, stable, and safe mechanical product. If you want to learn more, please contact us.